Okay.
So let me come out of this.
No, see, but you have copied all the files in one more directory, right? The new directory.
Yes,
Yeah, yeah.
yes.
Okay. Just run Terraform in it now. We'll just check.
It's gonna show.
Yeah, this is the same error, but yeah, for this we have added some workspace, right? Backend workspace. That's not working now.
Mm-hmm. So don't worry. This is what I'm gonna do. Let me just infra. Okay. To git. Okay. It's gone.
Ma'am, one more thing. I just have a query. Like, did you try running this same script in different VMs? I mean, any other operating system
No,
apart from your Mac?
No, I've not done that.
Okay. Do you have access to any of the VMs in your dev environment? For at least for dev, you will be having some VM, right?
Every log or every monitoring tool will run as a container and not a service on that specific host. If you have a Linux host altogether, so it will run as a service there. But since here Kubernetes is there, so Kubernetes understands the language only the language of pod and containers. That's why it is being deployed in that fashion. So
Got it.
yeah. So let's create this. CTL create -f which was that file demonstrate.yaml. Create so it says it has been created. Why cannot I see the pod? Can anyone tell me?
It says you have to specify your system group name which you use for creating this pod. These are getting the custom pods.
Which what exactly I
system
have to specify?
What we call, like, we have to mention
yeah, that namespace is different.
Yeah,
yes,
correct.
namespace, right?
Yes. I was expecting from the people who already have attended, but yeah. Anyways, thanks Sanbo and Manoj also. So yeah, we have to specify the namespace, or else we'll directly do -a, which will show pods from all the namespaces. And also one argument we've missed, which is -o wide. So it will give out extra details and namespace, and as well as the on which node is a pod running. So yeah, if you see, it is running on control plane and node 1 as we desired to. Also, I'll just fire the command again. let's check if the daemon set has been properly deployed. So we have to do kubectl for that daemon set. Kubectl get daemon sets.